What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're switching it up a little bit. I don't think there's anybody in the Southeast that does more Chevy or GMC 1500, Mcgaughys, FTS, rough country lift kits than we do. In my opinion, I feel like we're definitely one of the top GM shops in the Southeast right now. We're switching it up a little bit today. One of the biggest things in the industry right now is these 2023 Illuma Duty trucks. And we have one of the first platinum trim level 250, 350, 450s to hit anywhere in the Southeast. I know there's a couple other places that have them, but we're trying to be the first to put any form of lift kit on a platinum today. Now, what makes the platinum different? The platinum has some form of electronic suspension on it. It's got sensors on the radius arm. I'm not an expert in the Ford solid, anything solid axle, to be honest with you. If you guys watch the channel, fans of the channel, I'm not an expert in anything solid axle, but we're gonna be today for you guys. We are gonna try and be the first to put any form of lift kit on one of these platinum trim level trucks with the electronic suspension. We've got one coming in today. Blessed with the opportunity yesterday, pulled into the shop later yesterday. We got a lift kit getting overnighted today for us. It's like a 3 or 3.5 inch lift that we're gonna put on one of these, and some 28 inch KG1s and Furies. It's gonna be freaking sweet. Short video today. Wanted to try something different. I love you guys for always showing love to the videos. We're so close to 50,000. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. It would mean the world to me. It's like a dream come true. I love you guys. Let's build a damn truck today. We wanted to keep the lift kit as simple as possible because we're not sure what kind of electronic suspension this new F450 Platinum has. So we did a 3-inch Stryker spring kit with the faceplate on the front, which is absolutely beautiful. Black and milled accents on this is going to be a very nice addition to the black wheels with the KG1 logo going on it. Sits at about 3 to 3.5 inches in the front. Got the wheels and tires mounted up, bolted on. Did have to do a little bit of trimming on the 3-inch with the 28s and 38s as well. We got the truck finished up, sitting outside. Like I said, it's going to be a short video today. I'm going to get straight to it. I wanted to make this video for you guys that are interested in buying a 2023 250, 350, 450 Platinum, especially because this is the first Platinum to get any form of a lift kit in the country that I'm aware of, right? It's the first one in Georgia, 100%. First one in the country that I'm aware of, though. No difference between a Platinum and any of the other trim models as far as accessories on the truck. Now, you might have some chrome accents here and there. You may have some interior differences. The biggest thing that we're looking at today is the sensor on the cross member here. Now, like I said, I am not any kind of an expert in solid axle stuff, but we wanted to see if we lifted one of these, would it affect any of the sensors or suspension in the front of the truck. So like I said, we did a basic 3-inch spring kit, and all it has is a little faceplate up top to show Stryker. And currently there is no lights on the truck. 3-inch, 38s, 28s, which would include any of the 2, 2.5, 3. I would assume 3.5 as well. I don't know how tall you can go on these before you start having issues with the suspension. I don't know what kind of suspension. I looked for hours today on YouTube, Google, Ford's website, and they don't specify what this is, what it controls, or anything like that. Maybe I'm just an idiot. I don't know. Please let me know in the comments what you guys know about this suspension, but I just want to be the first one to show you that it is possible to do a mild lift kit with any kind of different wheel and tire. Technically, you could put 30s on this if you really wanted to, so really you could fit any kind of wheel and tire you want with a 3 or 3.5, but I'm not really sure what the point of this of the sensor on the radius arm is. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. First 2023 Platinum to hit the ground in Georgia, and the first lifted one in the whole country. If you guys like the content, make sure you guys like and subscribe. We're on the way to 50K. I love you guys. Let's get this bread. Peace.